Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Pistorius WLS1 dovetail key system. Works just like a Hoffmann system. A little bit different, it's Americanized. Some of you will probably favor this and some of you will like the Hoffmann. So let's go through the features. First of all, as you can see, the stops are in the center. Basically, you're doing your 45s, you come along, and this is your fence plate. At the end of your fence plate, there is your stop at the end to mark your 45. The fences bolt down. We have the bolt out just so I can demonstrate how they work. Again, right now it's set up to do your basically 45s, picture frames, miter doors, act. Then what you do is you take these fences and you flip them around, and this is how you do your straight cuts. So your fences both do 45s and straight. And you're cutting a pair at a time, or one at a time if you want, but you can do a pair at a time. So that's the difference. That basically your fence is for your 45 degree and straight marking. To adjust your centers, you simply come in here and you spin this hand wheel. And you can adjust your centers both sides. Obviously, this is how you adjust your overhead hold downs, air pressure for that. You also do have your depth stop here. 4 settings, so it's really just twisted around. It's really that easy. It does hit the depth stop there, so that is your depth limit. What's also nice, a really American feature on here, is that it does have 2 Porter Cable 6902 routers on it. You can use the Porter Cable, Makita, Bosch. It'll really fit a couple of different routers, but what's nice is it's not using proprietary $500 and $1,000 spindles off the back, so it's really a cost-effective way to do it. A little bit easier to adjust. You simply just turn this machine on. You tap the foot pedal. Again, you tap the foot pedal, tap. As you can see, you basically just tap that foot pedal and it cycles for you. Really nice, clean machine. It'll basically take bits from Hoffmann, so there's nothing really proprietary about the tooling. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.